Hello guys, there we have Electrolux Induction Hub Slim Fit CIV654, and today I will show you about the indicators of heating power settings. So in this device we have a lot of indicator about the heating. So let's start. The number 0, it means the cooking zone is turned off. From 1 to 40 the cooking zone is turned on. Letter R means the automatic heating is turned on. The P, working function power boost. The letter E plus number, improperly working. The 3 lines, 2 lines or 1 lines, it means up the heat control. The letter L, the child lock is activated. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.